She don't want Hallmark, she want Amex and I'm inclined. Face card valid, no one ever pressed decline. Took a month to make it to my lobby, it can't be fine. Return policies, can't be mine. Nah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's always try to treat me